All right, welcome to fraction day 4. Today's word problem is there were 8 marbles. 3 of the marbles were blue, 2 of the marbles were red. The rest of the marbles were yellow. What fraction of the marbles were yellow? So, with my highlighter, I'm going to highlight the important information. So they tell me there were 8 marbles. 3 are blue, 2 are red, and the rest are yellow. So let's draw a picture to figure this out. First, I'm going to draw 8 marbles because that's the total. I know I'm not going to have any more than 8. Okay, then with my colored pencils, I'm going to color them in with the directions on the word problem. So it says 3 were blue, so I'm going to color in 3 of my circles blue. Then it says 2 were red, so I did that. Now let's do 2 red, 1 red, 2 red. Check. The rest were yellow, so that means all the ones that are left are yellow. Check. What fraction of the marbles were yellow? Okay. I'm going to count the number that I colored yellow. 1, 2, 3 are yellow out of. Now, here is what you need to remember when we're talking about parts of a group. I'm counting all of the marbles, not just the yellow and red, not just the yellow and blue, not just the yellow ones. This whole thing is all of my marbles, which means the denominator is the total. So I need to count the 3 blue, 2 red, and 3 yellows to get my total. So I should have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 out of 8 marbles are yellow. Okay, so then if I'm counting the red marbles, I would say there's 2 red marbles out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 out of 8 marbles are red. And if I'm counting the blue marbles, 1, 2, 3, 3 out of 8 marbles are blue. Oops. So, if I count the numerators, so 3 plus 2 plus 3, I should get 8 because these are the 3 different parts. 1, 2, 3 different parts of the total 8. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So I have a total of 8 marbles. If I count up the 3 blue, the 3 yellow, and the 2 red, it gives me 8 marbles, which is the total number of marbles. Okay? So we already started talking about the topic for today, which is parts of a group. Let me make sure this is in the camera since it's not quite, okay. That's about as good as it's gonna get. So parts of a group. There's the orange fish and a purple fish. So they're together in the group. They're together in the tank. 1/2 of the fish are orange, right? So half of the fish are orange. and 1/2 of the fish are purple. So we can tell part of a group based on fractions. So for today's notebook page, you're going to need 4 crayons or markers. I did green, orange, pink, and yellow. And you're going to need to color in dots for each one of these lines. So pause the video. I can't get them all in. So here's the top ones. Pause it, color them in, then do the bottom ones. So here's the bottom half. Pause the video and finish coloring these in. And then we will fill out what goes in the bottom, or in the, under the flaps. That's what I'm trying to say. Let me find my directions. Okay, now we are going to, under the flaps, tell how many parts of the whole are green and then how many parts are orange. So 1, 2, 3 out of, count the total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 out of 5 are green. Then I'm going to put a comma and do the orange ones. 1, 2. 2 orange out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 orange out of 5 total circles are orange. Okay. The next one, we have yellow and pink. So 1 out of, how many total are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1/6 are yellow. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 6, but let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 out of 6 are pink. Okay, here's that again. Now let's do this one. So count up the orange circles. 1, 2, 3. 3 orange out of, how many total are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3/5 are orange. And 1, 2. 2 out of 5 are pink. Now if I count these, 3 plus 2 gives us 5 total numbers. 5 out of 5. So that gives us the whole group. If we add the 2 colors together, we get 5 out of 5. Let's do one more, and then you try the bottom 4 by yourself, and then go check them with me, okay? So how many green are there? There's 1 out of 6, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 out of 6 green. Okay, the video paused, so I just did this one. So I have 1 out of 6 that are green. Now let's count the rest of them that are yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 6 are green, and 5 out of 6 are yellow. Now pause the video and do the bottom half by yourself, and then check it with me. Okay. Count the orange dots. 1, 2. So 2 out of 4, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 are orange. And then 2 out of 4 are green. So I have 1, 2, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 that are green. Now here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6 are pink. And 1, 6. 1 out of 6 are orange. 1, 2 are green. 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 6 are yellow. And then 1 out of 2, or 1/2, are pink. And then 1 out of 2 are orange. Okay. I will also take a picture of this to put in your folder or your work file today so that you can copy them and check them that way too. Then the last thing for today is M&M fractions. So you need that bag of peanut M&Ms. If you already ate them, then you can make paper M&Ms. So you'll just cut up the different colors. You can have the same colors that I have. So you're gonna open your thing of M&Ms. Oh wow, I only have 4 colors. You need those color crayons or markers or colored pencils. So I need a green, blue, yellow, brown color pencil, and a cup. So these are the materials you need. Peanut M&Ms or some sort of thing that has different colors, a cup to put them in, so you can pull out random ones, and the colors to color in your worksheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should have 8, hopefully, because I think some of them have 8 circles. If you don't have 8, then you can cross out the extra circle, because sometimes the bags don't have exactly the same number in them. So now what you're gonna do is, without looking, pull out M&Ms and put them on the dots. Okay, then pick one of the colors. I'm gonna pick blue. And then you're gonna write the fraction. So how many are blue out of the total? So I have 1, 2, 3 blue out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 blue out of 8. Then you're gonna color the page to match. So I'm gonna color this blue, this blue, this blue, these 2 green, whoops, one yellow, and 2 brown. 1, 2. Okay, then I'm going to do the next one. So I'm going to pick them out. I'm gonna do yellow this time. And count the number of yellows. I have 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 6th are yellow. Then color in the circles to match the M&Ms. Whoops. Okay. And it doesn't have a name line at the top, so put your name up at the top so that I know whose is whose when I get them. And you're gonna keep going and finish the other boxes. Okay? Pick a different color each time. I mean, you're gonna have to repeat at some point because there's only, well, I don't know, maybe you have more than 4 colors, but choose one of the colors and write the fractions for one of the colors. You only have to do one, not like in the book when we did both colors, okay? And that is all for fractions today. I will see you tomorrow for the next day fractions. Bye.